Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. It's Matt here at the Real Toy Shop, and what have we got for you today to walk around in a no edit video? Well, these no edit videos, well, they're just here to show you a bike. And what bike we got? It's a Harley-Davidson Iron 1200. Cracking machine. Let's have a look around it. Proper naked sort of bar hopper style bike. Stage 1, Vance Hines pipes. It's got the lot. So let's have a look at it, see if you like it. If you like it, well, you might be able to buy it if you want. I might let you. If I hadn't decided, oh, I'm keeping it. No, I won't really. Come on. So all you guys, thanks for stopping by. And all you guys who stop by and leave the little thumbs up and subscribe and stuff like that, absolutely brilliant. Always appreciate you. So anyone else who feels, you know, I really wish you did, because helps us grow our little channel. And we want to grow, don't we? We want more bikes for you, more crazy cars for you. So we've got dozens of other videos if you don't like this one. But go and have a look at them. But if you're interested to hear what a Harley 1200 Iron on Vance and Hines is, with one of these big suckers at the front here, sounds like, then stick around, because we're going to fire her up and we're going to make sure that you get to hear just exactly what one of these sounds like. And it's pretty good, to be fair. 1200 Sporties, they don't make them like this anymore, do they? And they're just cool. I don't know how Harley sort of lost the way with that and came up with the 1250Ss and stuff like that, because they're just not as cool, are they? But this is, so that's an Arlen Ness. Arlen Ness Breather, Heavy Breather, whatever you want to call it, along with the Vance and Hines pipe. So if you want to hear it, stick around, it won't be long. Right, let's start at the front. Let's have a look at the bike. What we got? Well, we got blacked out engine, we got blacked out forks, we got fork gator rubbers, which, aside from looking just cool as out, do a job. Stop your forks getting peppered with road rash and ripping your seals and stuff like that. Little nose bikini fur in there. Sons of Anarchy looking, isn't it? And then this old school paintwork on the tank. I like the colour on this grey. It looks almost blue in here. That's because the anti-condensation stuff on the roof, that's blue, so it reflects, but it is a grey. Flush cap there. And then these irons have these lovely sort of mid-apes on them, so you get your sort of fists in the wind. And then someone has made the good choice of putting the end mirrors below the bars. They look kind of cool down there. Engine's all blacked out, matte black. Nice 1200, big thumping V-twin, get you down the road really, really nicely. A lot of people, you know, they say things about Sportsters and ride one. I bet they haven't rid one, because they ride ace. Every time I get on a Sporty, I'm having a right laugh, enjoying myself. So, yeah, knickers to you naysayers, that's all I can say. Coming around the back, we've got these adjustable rear shocks. I believe they're standard on these, but anyone who knows different, please drop it down below in the comments. Oh, excuse me. It's a 69 plate bike. What does that mean? Well, 69 means between September 2019 and March of 2020. Side plate as well, looking cool, and it's got the number plate lights down the bottom there. You see those little LEDs, so they look cool. And I like this one bag, somewhere to put a couple of tools, your phone, whatever, chuck them in there. They're all out the way. And you might get a couple of bags of crisps in there and a sausage roll for if you're going out for the day riding. Super cool looking seat there with a quilted look to it. Little bum rest there, stop you firing off the back. Blacked out engine, as we said. So the fins on this, everyone knows I love a fin, but the fins on this, you don't really have to keep the same upkeep into them to know whether the bike's good, bad or ugly. But it has got nice black powder coated fins, so that keeps a lot of the lads who don't like polishing happy. Blacked out brake calipers again at the front there. Black fork lowers. Harley tyres, the Michelin Scorchers on these. Bike just rides ace. You've got your indicators up here, which are pointing in the wrong direction there. Just put them back. High up, well visible. hanging off your bars there. So what else can I tell you? There's not a lot else I can tell you. You know, 1200 sporty engine, easy to change the belts and stuff on these. They're just a real easy bike to live with, if I'm honest. So Lisa has one. She has a sporty. Absolutely loves it. But hers is the 800 low. This one's a 1200 bad boy with a, it looks like they lift the tank a little bit and stuff like that, just to give it that more customized look. So that's the actual bike itself. What can we do for you on the bike? Well, here at the Real Toy Shop, ooh, we offer all sorts of stuff, don't we? But Part X is the first. Let's see if this will actually focus. There you go. Nip to the website. On there, you'll see a part exchange form. Take you 2 minutes, fill it in. Then I've got all the details of everything I need to know. Your donkey, your fish, your bike, your tractor, whatever you've got. Keep hold of that number there. If you want monthly payments, speak to us in the office. It's the only way we can do it. And we will get you sorted out with your monthly payments. If you like them, we'll put you through with one of our finance providers. So that's that side of things. Then we'll come to delivery. Well, here at the Real Toy Shop, my happy smiling face has been delivering bikes all around the UK forever, since we started, for free. Yep, no money whatsoever. If you're in a far-flung place in the country, sometimes it may be somebody else, but we pay. Now, how's this all work? Well, go on that website I showed you a minute ago and click on the page marked Spookily Delivery, and it'll tell you how it works. Time frames, everything else. All the big boy stuff's on there. Now, basically, what it does mean is this is the receipt for your bike. So we're looking at it, aren't we, for scratches, dings, bashes. It's not an instructional how to ride a bike or anything like that. But this is what this video is for. To show you around the bike, show you everything, marks, scratches, dings, bashes, anything like that, which there is there. I'll show you one in a minute. It's not on the paintwork, not anything like that, but you'll know it's there, and we need to know it's there before the bike goes. So, this doesn't mean you can't come and see the bike. We welcome you with open arms, come and see it, but we appreciate a lot of people just can't. They're in far-flung areas and, you know, Cornwall, top of Scotland, stuff like that, and we get to them all. Irish guys, we'll meet you at Cairn Ryan or give you the number of a courier that'll take it over, but we only deliver mainland UK. So, the mark I was telling you about, up here, look, on my poorly finger there, excuse me, just there, just there, see it? Just on the top there, well, that's not focusing so well, is it? There you go. See that little mark touched in? And it just touches that button. It must have been when it's been in the van. Maybe I've done it, but it's there, so I've shown you the mark. Can't really see anything else on the bike that you could crib. Nothing other than used bike stuff, you might, you know, but it's really, really, really shiny and nice, isn't it? Now, I know you're dying to wear that bike, so let's go on and do it. But before we do, if you need permission off anybody for this bike, your mother, your brother, your dad or your lover, or more importantly, your missus, ask your missus first. Then when we have a conversation on the phone, we can all have an adult one that's not a, I'm going out of here to, I don't like the bike, I don't like you, but I'm going to say, it's me missus. No, just grow a pair, tell us you don't like us, or buy the bike. Right, being a newer sporty, it's got lots of fancy stuff like rubber mounts on the engine and keyless go. Yes, I know. So let's keyless go it. So over here, on we go. And there's your mileage, 5,597. It's not anything, is it? Let's crack her up. ABS lights flashing, Matt. ABS lights flashing. I know. 5 mile an hour, 5 revolutions of the wheel. It's its last check. I say this on every video. If you come to a modern bike, ABS light, it's not flashing, or it's not there, it's not lit up, something is wrong. Right then. Now, for all you internet keyboard warriors, yes, the bike was warmed up. Yeah, it's kind of like I know what I'm doing. It's mental, you know, but you all sat in your armchairs can just, well, drop a comment down below about what you think about it. What you think about a Sportster in general. I don't know. But this Iron 1200, I need it in my shed, Matt. You do need it in your shed because it's ace. If you do need it in your shed, what's the order of play? Well, number one, get that part exchange form filled in so we know where we're at if you need it to. Number two, if you are looking to finance the bike, need some monthly payments, speak to one of us in the office and we'll talk you through all of that. And number three, let's just get it paid for, get it in a van, get it to you as quick as we can. Can't really say any fairer. Thanks for getting this far if you did. And if you did, well, go and watch another video. YouTube thinks you might like that one, that playlist there, but that subscribe button means the world to us, shows the support to the channel. I'm out of here. Gotta go and upload this bike. All the description will be down below or on the website. So yeah, see you on the next one. Bye for now.